Hey, have you ever noticed your heart beating just a little faster when your phone buzzes? Or maybe you feel a weird urge to check your notifications, even when you're supposed to be doing something else? Let's talk about it. So, picture this. You're hanging with friends or maybe trying to study and then your phone lights up. It's almost impossible to ignore, right? But have you ever wondered why that little notification can make you feel so anxious? Okay, here's the deal. Every time your phone buzzes, your brain releases a tiny shot of dopamine. That's the same chemical that makes you feel good when you eat chocolate or win a game. But the catch? It also makes you want more. So you end up checking your phone over and over, even if you don't actually care about the message. And when you can't check right away, that's when the anxiety kicks in. You start wondering, did I miss something important? Are my friends talking about me? What if it's urgent? Your mind spins, and suddenly it's super hard to focus on anything else. Here's another thing. Constant notifications split your attention. You might think you're being productive by multitasking, but studies show your brain actually gets tired way faster. This is called attention residue, a fancy way of saying you're not giving anything your full focus. And when you finally try to relax, your brain is still buzzing from all that digital noise. But hey, you're not alone. Most teens check their phones at least 80 to 100 times a day. That's wild, right? And the more you do it, the easier it is to get stuck in a loop of stress and FOMO, fear of missing out. All those tiny interruptions add up, leaving you feeling restless, distracted, and honestly, kinda tired. So, what can you do about it? Try setting your phone to Do Not Disturb when you need to focus, or pick specific times to check notifications instead of letting them control you. You can even turn off non-essential alerts so your brain gets a break. And trust me, it feels amazing to have a little peace and quiet. Your mind totally deserves it. Remember, your phone is supposed to make life easier, not more stressful. You're in control, not the buzzes and beeps. So next time you feel your heart race at a notification, take a deep breath. You got this. Thanks for hanging out with me. Hit that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more real talk. Catch you next time.